Forgotten username recovery failed on Tinkoff Fix. If your attempt to recover your Tinkoff username keeps failing, don't panic, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they expect Tinkoff to still use traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Tinkoff has moved to a modern login system where your email or phone number is your main identifier. That's why the forgot username option often seems broken. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Tinkoff app or go to the official website. Instead of looking for a username, enter the email address or phone number you used when registering your account. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Tinkoff, such as account confirmations or statements. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the instructions in the email or SMS sent to you. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using social login, like Google or Apple, make sure you use the same method to log in. Many users fail recovery attempts simply because they switch login methods. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Tinkoff's customer support. Provide your full name, registered email or phone number, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or the system is broken, but in reality, Tinkoff's upgrade just removed usernames in favor of a simpler, more secure login system. So don't worry, your account is safe. Focus on your email or phone number, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your finances on Tinkoff in minutes.